Stop learning English and start speaking it. Today, you will practice 10 powerful sentences for your job that will make you sound like a pro. But look at me, I'm not AI, I'm a real person. And I'm not a native speaker too, just like you. I taught myself English at home, and I know exactly where you are stuck at learning English. If you want to break your silence, subscribe right now. Here at MX English Podcast, we practice English together and learn it from speaking. In this video, we are using the shadowing technique. The shadowing technique is a practice for your mouth and your brain, and it helps you to speak English more fluently. How it works? I say a sentence, you repeat it immediately after me, like a shadow. This is how you fix your accent and build real confidence while speaking English. No more thinking, no more talking, just speaking. Let's jump into the office sentences. Sentence number 1, just repeat after me. I work from 9 to 5 every day. Your turn. I work from 9 to 5 every day. Use from to for your working hours or you're doing something in hours. I do exercises from 5 to 7 every day. I do the dishes from 9 to 10 every day. I work from 9 to 5 every day. Let's jump to the sentence number 2. I need to check my emails. I need to check my emails. Checking emails is a very common daily task. I need to check my messages on Instagram. I need to check my emails. Next one. Can we have a quick meeting? Can we have a quick meeting? Quick means short and fast. Can we have a quick, short and fast meeting? Repeat after me. Can we have a quick meeting? Great job. Let's go to the next one. I'm busy with a new project. I am busy with a new project. Always say busy with something. I am busy with doing my homeworks. I am busy with reading a book. I am busy with calling a friend. I am busy with a new project. Nice. Next one. I usually take a break at 1 p.m. Your turn. I usually take a break at 1 p.m. You can say take a break or have a break. I usually have a break at 2 p.m. I usually take a break at 2 p.m. Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? Could you or could you is more polite than can you. If you want to speak with your boss, you must use could you. You can use can you too, but could you or could you is more politely. Okay? Could you help me with this? Nice job. Let's go to the next one. I have a lot of work to do. Your turn. I have a lot of work to do. Use a lot of for a large amount of something. I have a lot of food to eat. I have a lot of books to read. I have a lot of work to do. Nice. Let's go to the next one. The office is near the station. The office is near the station. Don't say near to, just say near the station. I use a laptop for my work. I use a laptop for my work. We use for to explain the reason or purpose. I use a phone for my work. I use a pen for my work. I use a laptop for my work. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's finish this by 5 o'clock. Let's finish this by 5 o'clock. By 5 means at 5 or before 5. Let's finish this by 5 o'clock. Nice job! You just finished 10 sentences. That's more than most people do in a week. Tell me in the comments, which sentence do you use most at work? Write it for me. And remember, self-study is the only way to fluency. I'm living proof. Like this video, share it with a friend, and I will see you in the next video. I'm Max from MX English Podcast.